Hello, so this is my family's take on a freckled lemonade. Core ingredient, Sprite. This is essential. Now adding to it, we're actually gonna add a pinch of lemon. We're gonna add some lemon into each one. Yo, zoom in on this, come on. Need some action, dude. After we add some lemon, we have some freaking strawberries, as we like to call them. These are just heated up in sugar and water until they have a nice squishy consistency. And we're gonna add a few to each lemonade to get a nice pink color. And to finish each one, we're gonna add an ice cube to keep them nice and cold.
This is my take.
This is my take on a freckled lemonade. Bro, it just exploded. You hooked to make it.
You see, putting the ice cubes on the floor gives them a nice salty flavor.
Alright, well, we'll just try to make do with what we have left.
Oh, yeah. That one's so much more clear.
And just to enhance the presentation, we will add a leaf of mint. Voila. And don't forget the straws. Enjoy. The taste test. That's really good, but I think we should add more strawberries to make it taste even better. I'll put that, oops. Oh, we should move this first. Just a bit more. Probably one more. And look at that color. It's nice and red. Taste test. Now that's perfect. Okay, I guess for everyone I should do the same thing. Oops. There you go.
Lemonade for nice weather. And for the pizza,
Yay.
mixed pizza and a barbecue.
I like this one.